Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Yasmin Khatun and I am on a journey to learn English. And I share tips, ideas and challenges to improve your English too. So today's video, I'm gonna tell you 5 methods that gonna help you to get fluency at home without spending money, without going anywhere and without pay for expensive courses. So let's get started. The first method is reading. Yes, you heard it right. Even you might be heard that lots of people suggest to you that you have to read a lot. But do you know why? Because reading is playing a vital role of our English journey. It gives you the fluency that you always needed for your English journey. For the first thing, what kind of book you have to read? Well, first you have to focus children's books. Yes, you heard it right, children's books. Don't think that I'm crazy. Because you have to focus simple, lucid and clear sentences and words. That you don't have to use dictionary for each words like word by word. So that's the good way to start and get fluency at home. And the second method is listening. Yes, listening also playing the vital role just like reading. And you can do it both at once, like killing 2 birds with 1 stone. But how is it possible? Well, when you reading a book or reading something, just read out loud. When you read out loud, you can listen that words comes to your mouth. So there's 2 things that you can do it at once. Even you can listen to music and podcast as well. Why? Because when it's time to speak, you have to focus on your pronunciation, because it doesn't mean that you are speaking and no one understand what you just said. So it's the good way that your pronunciations, your fluency, even the tone and the intonations will be perfect when it's time to listen. Okay, let's move on our third method, that is writing. Yes, writing also important of our English learning. Why? Because when it's time to learn vocabulary, we have to use them in our conversation, but sometimes we don't have that kind of opportunity to use in a conversation. So it's a good way to practice or memorize your vocabulary in writing something. Okay, so let's move on. Our fourth method is speaking. Yes, speaking also playing a vital role of our learning English. Why? Because I saw many people who has ability to understand grammar, vocabulary, phrases, idioms, everything. But when it's time to speak, they don't have courage to speak in front of people. That's why I'm telling you, you have to give at least 10 minutes every single day for speaking. Even if you need any app suggestion, I already made a full video about this topic, so go and check it out after this video. I will leave in the link in the description. And the most thing is, when it's time to speak, we are translating in our mind, right? It's actually happen when it's time to speak, but when it's time to write, we don't have to think too much. We just want to need words for our explanations or the meanings of that sentences. So how could you stop translating in your head? I actually made a full video on this topic that you can go and check it out after this video, and I will leave in the link in the description that you can watch easily. The last method is watching. Yes, you heard it right. You have to watch a lot, just like you do the others thing. You have to watch everything in English. Okay, just keep in your mind, everything in English. You have to surround yourself in English. At first you don't understand, but over time it will easy to understand. So don't worry about making mistakes. Okay, I know it's hard, I know it feels impossible, but trust me, the only thing standing between you and fluency is consistency. So stop doubting yourself and stop making excuses. So surrounded yourself with English. Speak, listen, read, write every single day. Focus on fluency, not perfection. Just keep in your mind, okay? And that's for all today, and I hope this video will help you to get fluency at home without spending money, without going anywhere, and without pay expensive courses. And if you are not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos in this channel. And let me know in the comments what you think about these methods, and have you ever tried any of this? Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.